How to copy Facebook profile link on PC. Here's how to copy a Facebook profile link using your computer. No apps or extensions needed. Step 1. Go to facebook.com using Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser you prefer. Log into your account if you aren't already. Step 2. To get your own link, click your name at the top left or in the top bar to go to your profile page. Step 3. Once you're on the profile, go to the very top of your browser. You'll see the full URL, then just click inside the address bar, highlight the entire link, then right-click and choose Copy, or just press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Step 4. Now go to where you want to share or save the link, like a message, post, or notes app, and press Ctrl+V to paste it. Just an extra tip, if the profile has a username, the link will be clean. If it doesn't, the link may include a long string of numbers. Don't worry, it still works the same. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.